What's up, guys? Headed to the river. Got a big storm brewing, so I figured it's like almost 7. Figured I'd try to get out there for like an hour, see if the smallies are biting, and give it my best shot. So yeah, see you at the river. The river's real high right now. I did not expect it to be even like close to this. I was on it like, I don't want to say a week ago. Yeah, it was. Oh, that is a good sign. That was a nice fish. I was on it less than a week ago. The thing was not even close to this. So, dude, if I get mauled, I will be one happy son of a gun. I hope that this fly's not too big. That's what I'm worried about, but we'll see. Did a little redo on the whole setup for my dad. Different leader on, different fly, a little bit bigger fly. Oh yeah. They like it on a pause. At least they did a couple years ago. They have the past couple of years. But yeah, if you guys aren't following the Instagram, I recommend doing that because a lot of stuff, it's just a better way to like stay in touch with, like, especially Find a 50. You guys are like really, I know a lot of you guys are really just into the musky fishing stuff, which I get, but you know, I like doing it all. So just lay down. Oh, right out there. I don't know how to get out there. I'd have to do some wading, which I wouldn't be. Not another eat out there. That's kind of making me annoyed. I'll give it 5 more casts and no action on me. I'll head over, see if I can get onto that sandbar over there. Yeah. I don't know if I'll be able to cross at all. Bring a walking stick, that's a good idea. I don't know if I can make that. Yeah. I can just fish from here though. Minnows are biting my toes. Scare the you know what out of me. Oh my god. I'm out of fish now. I wasn't even looking. Something ate my toe, or tried to eat my toe, and the fish bit. Oh, no! Broke me off. Ah, I'm so dumb. Oh, I should have let him have it. Oh, no. That was a nice fish too. Wow, that'll feel nice. I didn't see the eat. It's a big splash, so usually that means that they're smaller. The big ones just... God, I knew that too. I was too focused on the freaking minnows eating my toes. So dumb. What do? Retie and try again. I kind of want to use this guy. Small one. But... Either this or this. I guess I could use this. I'm gonna go this guy. I don't know. I'll go the big one. Because it's fast moving here, so I don't know if it'd even be feasible for the small one. Feasible, that's a good word for fishing. Poor guy's gotta look his mouth. Dude, these guys really like my feet. Oh, I thought. Oop. That was that. It went alright. I had fun doing it, and that's all that matters, right? So, I don't know. If you haven't yet, follow the Instagram at FindA50. I don't know if I said that. It wasn't bad. It was not bad at all, so I'll take it any day of the week. I do need to buy more flies now. Smallie flies, top water, so whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Drop a like. Back to the old stuff. Drop a like, subscribe. Yeah, have a good one.